Hi friends, welcome back. It is the best day of the week. It is a fix day. I am Shannon and I'm here with a really fun summer fix with lots of summer warm weather items. So I'm already wearing the first two, so let's talk about it. This is a little knit cami by Britton for $39. I do like it that it's double layered so you feel like you're not showing rolls. It does have this pretty kind of lace detail. It has a fun crisscross back detail, and I do think it would be a good little layering piece. I got it in an XL and I'm kind of thinking I might have preferred it in a large, but what do you guys think? Next item is a really fun pair of jean shorts. These are by Judy Blue, and what kind of makes them special is they are bedazzled. These are $58. They do fit well and they're kind of fun. I wish the legs were a little wider, but I think they are cute. What do you guys think? This definitely feels like a summer, like concert, casual night out kind of option. All right, we'll keep going. All right, I have on the next two pieces. So these are a pair of Democracy. They're called cargo shorts. I sized up to a size 14. These are a definite yes. They're 68 bucks, but they're a great length. I like the color. They're nice thick fabric, big deep pockets. I actually already wore these, so that's why they look like they've been worn a little bit. But yeah, no, these feel great. So the little top I'm wearing is kind of a silky little blouse by Papermoon. It does have a crisscross detail, which I'll show you. Wish this was a little deeper. This is cute. It's $39. I just don't think I need another flutter sleeve blouse, but it is cute if you are looking for that. Let me do a quick spin. So these white shorts are definite yes. Let me know what you guys think of the other pieces, and then we have one more item to talk about. All right, last item I have on is a pair of Liverpool straight leg jeans for $109. So I bought these because they are 32-inch, or I ordered these because they have a 32-inch inseam, which is typically a little longer than what you'll find, and they look okay. They look kind of cropped. I actually already have a pair like this, so this is a no. As you guys know, I'm tall, 5'10", and it's just really hard to find long jeans, so I always try to try them when I can find them. Let me do a quick spin actually for you. I do like Liverpool a lot, though. I do recommend them if you are looking for a comfortable jean that's great kind of for business casual. They come in nice dark washes. All right, guys, so I know I'm kind of rushing, but it's Sunday, and my husband and I are going to do some goofing around with the kids, so I wanted to get this done. But what did you think of this fix? I definitely like both pairs of shorts, even that kind of cheeky bedazzled pair. I think the black cami is cute. I think this is cute. I just don't need it. The jeans are a definite no. Let me know in the comments what you guys think below. Also, you might notice my hair is a little different. I tried those like bobby pin overnight curls, and it did work. I have really fine hair though, so it's kind of, even with product, it's still a little frizzy, but it's kind of a fun change of pace. My husband was not a fan. He's like, I like your hair straight. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you like and didn't like. Give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. Bye.